Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Bodycam Watch. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a vehicle repossession call quickly brings officers to a home where tensions are already building. Situations like this can change fast, especially when emotions, property disputes, and law enforcement all collide in the same place. The breakdown starts now.
Right now.
Okay.
This is a mistake.
Hey.
That's
Hey,
crazy.
can you stop yelling at me? Stop yelling. Relax.
I'm not trying to do that. This is a
Ma'am,
mistake.
ma'am, listen to me. Listen to me. For safety reasons, can you step
No,
out of the car?
I'm not doing it. Close my door. Sir, back up and do not touch my door.
You tell her to get out the car.
No, I'm not doing that. You think I'm dumb?
She is not. He's not
You
going
think
anywhere.
I'm stupid?
At this point, officers are trying to keep this from becoming a bigger issue than it needs to be. The longer she refuses to cooperate, the fewer options there are for resolving the situation through conversation alone.
I'm not getting out of my property
He is not getting.
that I paid for. No.
He is not going anywhere.
I'm not doing
My
anything.
car is in front of his.
I don't care. No.
My car is in
No.
front of his.
No.
This
I'm
car
not
is.
in an argument with none of
Your
you.
car is jacked up right now.
And I don't care. And I'm sitting pretty.
He called the police. Okay. They got the
Okay,
police.
so nobody was in the vehicle when he jacked
Bob,
it.
Huh?
Nobody was in the vehicle when he put it up.
Get out the car like
No.
this. They tell her to get out the car like this.
I'm
We'll
not
look up.
even-
We'll look up the laws again.
And then
We'll look up it again. And if we're gonna do that.
At this point, officers are running out of ways to move the conversation forward. When communication starts breaking down like this, the entire interaction can shift pretty quickly.
She's on the phone with her car coming in. It was their mistake. I tried to explain that to him, but nobody listened.
She locked herself in.
No, keep her door.
Will you talk to us?
No.
No, you can get.
I can't hear you. I'm not gonna talk to you through. Roll down the window.
You trying to open the door to let
Roll down the window.
Angel.
If you want to figure out the situation, you're gonna have a conversation with me.
She's on the
No,
phone.
you stop.
We're not talking to either one of you. I don't care.
Officers are already having a hard time getting through to her. Adding more voices into the mix usually makes that challenge even bigger.
Is she an adult?
That's my
an
daughter.
adult?
That's my
Is
daughter.
she an adult?
Her brain
I'm
listen,
not.
her brain
Are you gonna have a conversation with me?
I already know
So we
how
can figure this out.
I already know.
Yes,
Are you
this-
gonna have a
this how they
conversation
talk
with
to
me?
women.
I don't want to remove you from the car. If you don't want to remove from this car the door, you don't have to remove from the car. I've already talked to you.
All right.
Okay,
All right.
perfect. I'll step back so that you know that I'm not gonna remove you from the car. So he told me his side of the story. Break it down from the beginning. What had occurred here?
Even with the situation already dragging on, officers are still giving her an opportunity to explain her side. Gathering information from everyone involved helps them make decisions based on the full picture, not just one version of events.
Okay, basically, I heard I heard the people. Cool. I came out.
Hold on. You're the registrar on this car, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And it is under a loan or lease?
It's close. No. It's not. It's under what you call it.
A loan or a
Why?
lease?
Why? Why does that matter? You asking me my side of the story?
Because this
correct?
is a
You're
financial
not-
situation.
No.
I'm trying
You
to.
asking me my side of the story, so
I'm
don't stop me.
Hold on.
In the middle of my telling me my story
It's
and
because
ask me
it's
questions.
because
This is one of the challenges officers face in situations like this. They're trying to gather facts, but that's difficult when emotions start taking over the conversation.
I need to get a
No.
complete
You're gonna let me
understanding.
finish talking, then you can
Relax.
ask questions.
Relax, because I'm trying to get the
You're going
understanding.
to let me finish talking. You just asked me what's my side of the story.
You're gonna make this whole situation.
No, I'm not. You came to my door to ask me what's my side of the
The
story.
police were called. I didn't randomly come here.
Okay, and this is my property.
I'm trying to get this solved.
So I'm trying to talk to you. Did you not ask me?
Henry, just let her talk.
My side of the story.
Even after everything that's happened so far, officers are still giving her a chance to explain her side. The question now is whether that opportunity is going to help move the conversation forward.
Did you?
Go ahead.
Okay, like I said, I came out here, came in my car. My company knows that the defer a payment for October because of the hurricane that happened, because we were out of work. Clearly, some dickhead didn't do that, so it made it seem like it's off with my payment. And my payments is only 60 days, not even. So I'm not even behind a lot. I'm not even behind a lot. They just told me pay 1 month. That's fine.
Up to this point, the focus has been on giving her opportunities to resolve the situation voluntarily. That approach is starting to run its course, and the dynamics of the encounter are beginning to change.
Step out of the car, or we're gonna take you to jail.
No, you're not. I'm on the phone with my company.
Step out of the car, or we're taking you to
No,
jail.
you're not. I'm
I'm giving you a lawful
Why
order.
are you
Step
arrested?
out of the
For
jail.
what?
Step out of the
For
car, or I'm
what?
taking you to jail.
Why?
I'm giving you.
For what?
I'm giving you
For
one
what?
chance. Step
No, I'm
out of the
asking
car.
you,
or
'cause
we're
I have
taking
a
you
right
to jail.
know. I have a right to know. No, y'all not gonna bully me like that. I have a right to know.
At this point, officers have spent a significant amount of time trying to gain voluntary compliance. When repeated opportunities fail to move the situation forward, they have to start considering other ways to bring the encounter to a resolution.
Step out of the car.
I have a right to know.
Don't get involved.
Stay back.
Don't get involved. Agent, y'all wrong for that. What you coming over here for? Y'all wrong for that, bro.
She's got to get out of the car now.
Let's go. Let's go.
Got her.
Go over that way. Go over that way.
Relax. Relax.
Get off of me!
What started as a vehicle repossession turned into a lengthy standoff after the woman refused repeated requests to exit the vehicle. After multiple attempts to resolve the situation through communication, officers ultimately removed her from the car and took her into custody. No matter the type of encounter, situations like this often become more difficult once communication starts breaking down. Throughout the interaction, officers continued giving opportunities for voluntary compliance, but as those efforts became less effective, their options grew increasingly limited. Moments like this show how quickly a routine call can escalate when cooperation gives way to confrontation. How do you think officers handled this situation? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.